Hello everyone. Today we will learn a very important topic, how to find area of a circle. Before that, you should know what is radius and diameter. Radius is the length of a line from the center to the circumference of the circle. This is the circumference of the circle. That means the boundary of the circle. And the diameter is the length of a line passing through the center and its endpoints are on the circumference of the circle. So endpoints are A and B, and you can see that these endpoints are on the circumference of the circle. That means the boundary of the circle. So what it means? Diameter is equals to 2 times radius, and radius is equals to half of diameter. These 2 points are very important when we are working with the area of circle. Now, what is the formula for the area of a circle? Area of circle is equals to pi r square, which is equals to pi r square means r into r. Now, what is the value of pi? Pi can be written as 22/7, or pi can be written as 3.14. Now, where to use 3.14, where to use pi is equals to 22/7, radius will decide. If radius is multiple of 7, for example, 7, 14, 21, 35, 210, and so on, then we are going to use pi is equals to 22/7. So let's understand how we can do it. If radius is equals to 35 centimeter and we have to find out the area of circle, then in place of pi, we will be using pi is equals to 22/7. Why so? Because radius is multiple of 7. So we'll put the values here. 22/7 in place of pi. R is 35 into 35. We can simplify it. 7 ones are 7. 7 fives are 35. So 22 into 5 is equals to 110 into 35, which is equals to 3850 centimeter square. Diameter is equals to 15 centimeter. So since diameter is given, we have to calculate the radius. Now why we have to calculate the radius? Because area of circle is equals to pi r square, where r is equals to the radius. So first we have to find out what would be the radius, and the formula for the radius from the diameter is half of diameter. So which is equals to 15/2, which is equals to 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter is not the multiple of 7. So in this case, we have to use pi is equals to 3.14 in place of 22/7. So area will be equals to 3.14 in place of pi, the value of pi. R is 7.5 into 7.5. When you will solve it, you will get 176.625 centimeter square. So this way you can find out the value of the area using the value of pi, either as 22/7 or as 3.14. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to my channel and like and share so that I can reach to the wider audience. Thanks for watching.